Okay, in this video, I'm going to just look at solving. This question was the first question from Thursday afternoon's class. It says, given the following information, P plus Q is equal to 1. Capital P, the probability of X is equal to or is equal to n choose or times P to the power of or times Q to the power of n minus or. Given that n is equal to 11, evaluate the probability that X is equal to 1 when P is equal to 0.5. So I'm going to be using this formula. The probability that X is equal to 1 is equal to n choose or. N is fixed at 11. So that's 11 choose, or is the number here, 1 times little p, which is 0.15, to the power of or, which is 1, times q. Well, q, what's q? Well, p is 0.5, and we know that p plus q is equal to 1. If p plus q is equal to 1, and p is equal to 0.15, then q must equal to 0.85. So this is going to be 0.85 to the power of n minus or. That's n, that's or. 11 minus 1, that's 10. Okay, and that can go into your calculator. It's approximately, I think, 0.325. Okay, complete the table up to or is equal to 11. So you could do each of these individuals. To find number 2, we'd say the probability that X equals 2 is equal to 11 choose 2 times 0.15 to the power of 2 times 0.85 to the power of 11 minus 2, which would be 9. And you can plug that into your calculator. One thing to note, though, the only thing that's changing is the value of or in this. So n is fixed, p is fixed at 0.15, q is fixed at 0.85, n is fixed at 11. So actually you could use your calculator to generate this table of values by inputting the function 11, which is fixed, choose x, times 0.15, which is fixed, to the power of x, times 0.85 to the power of 11 minus x. And if you input that function, if you start at 1, if you finish at 11, if you go up in steps of 1 unit, well, then that whole table will be presented to you on your calculator. So make sure you can input a table of values on your calculator.